Restriction is meant for human being, not for the animals. You cannot drive on the left side. You cannot drive when there is red light or yellow light. You have to follow the restriction. But a dog, if it keeps to the left or crosses the street when there is red light, it is not punished because it is animal dog. But if you violate the laws, you will be punished. Why? That means you have got advanced consciousness. If you do not follow the rules and regulations, then you are nothing but animal. Human being, human life means voluntarily accepting the laws, the rules and regulations. That is human life. But now the propaganda is that everyone wants to be free, no regulative life. This is animal life. These regulations, law books, restrictions, they are meant for human beings, not for animals. And if you want freedom from all restrictions, then you come to the animal. Therefore Sukadeva Goswami recommends, first, Tapasya. If you want to stop the problems of life, then you have to accept the life of austerity. Tapasya. And what is the tapasya? Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya means restricted sex life. Real meaning is no sex life, no celibacy, completely. This is tapasya. In the brahmachari life, there is no sex life. Only in the grihastha life, there is sex life, married life. People are not taught how tapasya life. Practically, you have to be trained in the life of tapasya. Then it will be effective, just like we are doing. Unless we follow the life of tapasya, you cannot make progress. This time we are inviting everyone to live here, to live with us and practice tapasya. Then your life will be advanced. Then you will understand what is your constitutional position, what is God or Krishna, what is your relationship with Him? What is the aim of life? How to execute it? How to make life successful? These things are taught here. This is called tapasya. Only take advantage of this Krishna consciousness movement and try to accept this devotional yoga system, bhakti yoga. If you want to solve the problems of life without any difficulty, very easily, then this is the movement. Krishna consciousness. Very simple and easy. Simply come and chant and dance with us and take prasādam, go home happily. Thank you.